This is one of Shenyang Lanyin Steel Structure's signature overseas projects, a two-story steel structure house located in Germany. With a total length of 16.5 meters, width of 15 meters, and a height of 8 meters, the main load-bearing beams are made of Q335BH section steel, offering excellent structural strength and stability for long spans. Steel bars, pipes, and angled steels are all made of Q235B, known for its reliable performance and good weldability, ensuring the integrity of the structural framework. The entire steel structure is connected using 10.9 grade high-strength bolts, enhancing joint reliability and resistance to dynamic loads for anti-corrosion treatment. All steel components are derusted to SA2 standard, effectively extending the lifespan of the structure even in harsh environments. Each steel column is anchored to the foundation using 10 bolts, ensuring solid ground connection and structural safety. The roof adopts a single-slope design, which is simple, cost-effective, and facilitates rainwater drainage. The wall cladding uses composite panels, providing superior insulation and quick installation, while also giving the building a clean and modern appearance. This project is a prime example of Liaoning's commitment to precision engineering, material excellence, and international quality standards.